Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8th Subject English.
Good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to study the second chapter of the grammar, that is the correct use of nouns. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope you that all of you take your English grammar text for the class. All of you take the page number 15, the correct use of nouns. The possessive case of a noun is used to show the ownership or possession. When a noun is singular, the possessive is formed by adding s, called the apostrophe. Example: the boy's books, the teacher's table, etc. These all are showing the ownership. When the noun is plural and end in s, the possessive is formed by adding only an apostrophe. Boys, then apostrophe school, girls, then apostrophe college, then horses, tail, etc. When the noun is plural but does not end in s, the possessive is formed by adding s. Men's club, children's books, etc. The possessive case is used with a noun denoting living things, as a man's face, a cat's tail, a horse's head, etc. The personified things as India's heroines, then nature's laws, duties, call, etc. Certain dignified objects as the court's order, the sun's rays, then the world's populations, etc. Time, space, weight, or value as time, a day, a journey, months, holiday, etc. And space, a table's length, a hair's breadth, then stone's throw, then weight, a kilo's weight, a ton's weight, etc. Then value, 10 rupees worth, and a dollar's worth, etc. In certain phrase as at his fingers ends, comma, for mercy's sake, comma, to his hurts content. These all are certain phrases we use as a possessive case. Okay, and take the next page number 16 and 17. We can sometimes omit a noun denoting some buildings or a place after the possessive case of a noun. I will see you at the barber's shop. Tonight I will bring you my uncle's house. The noun denoting the lifeless object are seldom put in the possessive case. The legs of table, that is the table's legs. The roof of the house, that is house roof. Express a relationship between each pair of item by using or possessive case. Example: boys school, then earth surface, that is surface of the earth. Here is arms legs, that you have to write it like above. You can see that examples. And next one is, there are 6 sentences among the following that can be written using the possessive case. Locate them and rewrite it correctly. And singular and plural uses of nouns. The following noun are used only in the singular and take a singular verb, as furniture, scenery, luggage, machine, machinery, etc. Then, but the word hair is used in the plural when it define number of hair are to be mentioned. My hair has turned grey. 2 of my hair have turned grey. Rule 2: the following noun have a plural form, but they are used in the singular sense and take a singular verb. Example: innings, wages, politics, means, systems. We won by the inning and 2 runs. Rule number 3: some nouns are not used in the singular form. They always take a plural verb, that is ants, then riches, contents, circumstances. The riches have turned his head. And rule 4: some objects are made of two almost similar parts. They are plural in the form and always take a plural verb. Scissors, tongs, spectacles. Example, these scissors are blunt. Where are my spectacles? And rule number 5, some collective nouns thought singular in the form always take a plural verb. It is singular but it always take a plural verb. That is gentry, folk, cattle, people, vermin. Example, who are those people? These ploti are mine. Page number 18 and 19. Rule 6. A noun, when put in the possessions of an adjective and having a number before it, never take the plural form. Example, it was a 3 hours test. It was a 3 hours test. Next is countable and uncountable nouns. And page number 18, there is a homework you have to do. And countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns used for things that can be counted are called countable nouns. We can use them in the singular as well as the plural form. When used as a singular noun, they take a or an before them. Example, an airport is a busy place. Airports are busy places. A mother is kind to little child. Mother are kind to little children. Noun used for things that can't counted are called uncountable nouns. They usually have no plural and doesn't take a or an before them. Tobacco, pepper, glass, milk, cloth, wood, etc. Some noun can be countable in one sense and uncountable in other. She bought a box of chocolate. It is uncountable. That it is countable. Children are fond of chocolates. That is uncountable. He drank 3 glasses of juice is countable. This window is made of glass. It is uncountable. And in page number 19, there is a identify the countable and uncountable nouns among the following and then use them in the sentence of your own. And you have to do this one. After that, you have to compare your answer to that answer key. Okay. Thank you, children.